Welcome to Excel Geeks. Today I'll show you how to increase the size of all cells in Excel using the ribbon. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of your Excel window. This is where you'll find the tools you need to adjust the cell sizes. Select all columns, go to Cells group, click on the Format drop-down. From the list, select column width. A dialog box will appear. Enter a number that represents the width you want for all columns. Click Oklahoma to apply the changes. Now select all rows, return to the Format drop-down in the Cells group. Select row height, another dialog box will appear. Enter a number for the height you desire for all rows. Click Oklahoma to confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully increased the size of all cells in your Excel sheet using the ribbon. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.